On this course, we're going to talk a lot about accidents, but a good thing to think about in a home is how to prevent accidents. There are lots of things you can do in your home to reduce your risks and keep your home safe. To start with, you can get a lot of help and advice from different councils and charities. There are lots of websites where you can get hold of guidance on how you can adapt your home to reduce accidents. Things you can do are to place handrails where you need them, in the bathroom or by the front door, to help you go up and down steps. Avoid mats in the home, which could cause a slip or trip hazard. Keep wooden decking clean, as moss and mould can grow and it can become extremely slippery. There are different treatments you can apply to the decking to stop the moss or the mould growing. Be aware of your surroundings and be particularly careful when there are children or pets about. Have good lighting in your home and your garden so you can see the steps and any slip hazards. Consider adding extra slabs on garden steps to reduce the height you step up and down, but make sure these are fixed correctly as you don't want them to become a hazard. Use a walking stick or cane when you need extra support. Wear shoes and slippers that give you grip. In icy conditions, take extra care and put grit down if possible to thaw any ice that's formed. Use a shower mat to give more grip when you shower, and make sure other mats in the bathroom have non-slip undersides so they cannot move when you step on them. Keep electrics safe and make sure cables are tidy. Have a look around your home and carefully think about what hazards there are there and what you can do about them. If you need help, search the internet for organisations that can help. Some provide help free of charge. And finally, have a look on the student resources section of this course. We've put different links to different organisations there that can help you.